If your WhatsApp contacts are not showing on iPhone, this quick step-by-step guide will help you fix the WhatsApp contact sync issue easily. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on the profile icon on the right side, then go to Privacy. Scroll down and look for the Contacts option. Make sure Contact Access is enabled. If it's turned off, your WhatsApp won't be able to show your saved contacts. Then tap on Deleted. Next, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap WhatsApp, and enable Contacts. After that, open your Contacts app and confirm that the numbers are properly saved with country codes. Finally, go back to WhatsApp and refresh your contact list by opening a new chat and pulling down to refresh. So, yeah, that's how you can fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone and restore your contact list. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching.